With the London location of Matthews Medical Systems up and fully operational, Jack's job is complete. He sets up an interview to fill his position before he returns to Montreal.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Jack Taylor. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I'm doing well, thanks.
So, let's get started. I read through your resume and I see you've got a lot of sales experience. Can you give me an overview of your career?
Sure. I've been working in sales for over 10 years now. I started as a junior sales associate at MediEquip, where I learned a lot of sales techniques and tricks. After 3 years, I was surpassing the company's sales goals regularly and was promoted to a senior sales position. Most recently, I worked at Heart Systems as a sales manager, where I was in charge of 6 junior employees.
That's great. I see you won Most Valuable Employee for each of your last 3 years at Heart Systems. It seems like you were in a good position there, so can you tell me why you left?
I enjoyed my time at Heart Systems, and the work was very rewarding, but I'm ready for something new. I love that this company is international and will give me the opportunity to interact with people from different places.
Well, combining your experience and enthusiasm, I think you're a good match for this position. Let's set up a second interview for next week.